Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to manage your frequently asked questions on your Wix dashboard. So if you have frequently asked questions installed on your Wix website, you may want to update them, add to them, change them from time to time. Now, it's very easy to do so, and you can manage this from editor, but this is one of the things that is actually shown on your Wix dashboard. So I am on the dashboard right now. I am not in Wix editor. It's very easy to update from here, and this is how I recommend that you do so. So on the left side here, you're going to see frequently asked questions, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up your categories and your questions of your frequently asked questions. Now we can add new categories. So our only category that we have right now is setting up frequently asked questions, but we can add new categories, and we're just going to name this new category for now. Now, once we have a new category, we can click add new question and answer, and that is going to bring up a blank question and answer. We can put in our question here, put in our answer, and then we are going to select the category that we want. So maybe we want to add it to the new category. We would click on that and then click save. And that is going to add that question to our new category that we just set up. Now, if you had a website built and you already had frequently asked questions on it, you may need to change or update the questions or answers that are on that frequently asked questions widget. So what you would do is you would just come into the frequently asked questions and you would click this little pencil icon, and that is going to show you what is on the page. Now, by default, the frequently asked questions actually just tell you how to manage the frequently asked questions or change them. But all we have to do is just highlight the text and start typing in what we want. And then we can come down here and type our answer. And then we would just click save, and that will save the question and answer into the frequently asked questions, and it will show on your live facing site. So anything that you do on your dashboard and you save is going to show on your live facing site without you saving or publishing in Wix editor. And that's it. That's simple. So if you have any questions on this or anything else, feel free to let me know. Happy to help. And if you need a website, CS Pro Media, I'm your guy. Thank you so much.